We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German football team and club. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting and unclear names from football as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. So how do you go about pronouncing it? In German, this is said as Borussia Dortmund. Borussia Dortmund. Pretty straightforward, right? It'd be fine in English to say it then as Borussia Dortmund. Borussia Dortmund. From German, Borussia Dortmund. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from football, player names, clubs names, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Happy Champions League, everybody. Cheers.